Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're joining us. This is the Church Multimedia channel, and I'm gonna be your host for today. Today, we're gonna be learning how to live stream on Instagram with our systems. How to live stream to Instagram with our systems. So now I'm gonna go into my browser to show us how to do this. So please stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe as we do this together. So first, I'm gonna visit Instagram.com. So I'm gonna use this opportunity to do a special shout out to Metal for making this possible. Um, Over the years, we've been able to live stream on Facebook, and it has been our heart's desire. I don't know about you, but it has been the heart desire of the church community to have a way to also to stream easily to Instagram. And all thanks to Meta, we have that today. So click on create. So when you click on create, this is what we have. You can only just post. Just remember we can only just post. So that means we can't live stream on this account. So what do we have to do? We need to check the kind of account we are using. When I mean account, I mean are we using a personal account? Are we using a business account? Or are we using a professional account? So why do we need to know this? A personal account and a business account cannot have that feature to go live. It is only allowed on a professional account. I repeat, it is only allowed for a professional account. So what we are going to do now, we are going to change this personal account here or business account here to a professional account. So we have the option to live stream to this Instagram account. So I'm here, I'm going to click on profile. I'm going to go to settings over here, settings and privacy. And we'll scroll over to account type and tools. If you can see my cursor, you scroll to account type and tools, and we're gonna click on it. Now here it says switch to a professional account, so we're going to just click on this and switch to a professional account. So what best describe your website? Are you a creator or a business? I'm a creator. So next category, I'm gonna choose religious organization. Done. And your Instagram account, creator account is ready. So I'm gonna click on done again, and now our Instagram account is going to reload and open as a professional account. Okay, so now you can see here we have for professionals. That means we have our professional account ready. We have our creator tools and control. So you can switch to a business account and switch to a personal account. But remember, we want to live stream from our system. So we maintain our professional account. So now I'm going to go back home, and now once I click on create, we have two options here. We have the post and we have the live video. So once you click on the live video, and as you can see, add your live video details, and let's say I'm gonna just put testing audience, let's put this in the practice mode, and let's click next. Wow, as you can see, we have our stream URL and our stream key, which means we are ready to go live. So on your live streaming softwares, OBS, Vimix, the Wirecast, the Prism, the Live Studio, any software which you are using to go live, you could just copy your stream URL and your stream key and give this a try. Let me know what comes out of it in the comment section. And if you have issues, please just mention it on the comments, and I'll do well to go over them and ensure we have a smooth switching to live stream through Instagram. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Please do give us a thumbs up, give us like, share, subscribe so we can also reach out to others who need this. And until next time, which we will be learning how to live stream PayPal to Instagram. Goodbye.